G. Ranganathan, owner of Srezan Pharmaceuticals, has been arrested after the deaths of 20 children in India. The deaths are linked to Coldrif cough syrup, typically used for cold symptoms. Investigations revealed the syrup was contaminated with diethylene glycol, a toxic chemical. This caused kidney failure in children under 5, primarily in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. A team has been formed, and authorities are issuing warnings as states ban Coldrif. This underscores the need for stricter regulations within the pharmaceutical industry.